Look at yourself in the mirror. Be honest. Why are you always tired? Why is your focus shattering after 5 minutes? Why are testosterone levels in men dropping by 1% every single year since 1980? You are told it is stress. You are told it is aging. You are told it is normal. They are lying to you. You are currently living inside a biological cage. A cage built not of steel bars, but of high-fructose corn syrup, seed oils, and microplastics. This is not a conspiracy theory. This is a business model. There is a silent war being waged against your biology, and you are losing. The objective of this war is not to kill you. Dead customers don't pay. The objective is to keep you sick enough to need medication, but alive enough to keep working. Weak, docile, and distracted. Welcome to the Poison Matrix. Let's walk through a supermarket. To the untrained eye, it looks like a paradise of choice. Thousands of colorful boxes. But if you strip away the branding, you realize it is all the same sludge: corn, soy, and sugar. In the 1970s, the food industry faced a problem. How do we sell more calories than people actually need? The solution was hyper-palatability. They hired chemists, not chefs, to engineer food that bypasses your brain's stop signals. They discovered the bliss point, a precise mathematical ratio of sugar, salt, and fat that triggers the same dopamine receptors as cocaine. When you eat that bag of chips, you aren't satisfying hunger. You are satisfying a chemical addiction engineered in a lab. And the cost? Your metabolic health. Insulin resistance, inflammation, and cellular decay are now the default state of the average citizen. You aren't just eating, you are slowly poisoning your own infrastructure. But the physical damage is only half the story. The real target is your mind. The gut and the brain are connected by the vagus nerve. What you put in your stomach dictates how you think. When your diet consists of inflammatory processed sludge, your brain enters a state of fog. Your cognitive processing speed slows down. Your aggression and drive, fueled by healthy testosterone, plummet. Why does this matter? Because a low-energy, low-testosterone population is easy to govern. Think about it. Who is easier to control? A population of sharp, physically strong, aggressive men and women who grow their own food, or a population of lethargic, dopamine-addicted zombies who rely on the system for their next sugar fix. The food pyramid wasn't designed for your health, it was designed for your submission. Now, follow the money. This is where the Fortune Codex reveals the architecture of the trap. You might ask, why would the government allow this? Because it is profitable. Look at the shareholders. Who owns the major food companies like PepsiCo, Coca-Cola, and Kraft? BlackRock and Vanguard. Now, look at the shareholders of the major pharmaceutical companies like Pfizer and Johnson & Johnson. BlackRock and Vanguard. Do you see the loop? Company A poisons you with cheap, addictive sludge. Company B sells you the insulin, the statins, and the antidepressants to treat the symptoms caused by Company A. It is a perfect, closed ecosystem of wealth extraction. They profit from your hunger, and they profit from your sickness. If you actually got healthy, if you stopped eating their poison and stopped needing their drugs, the entire economy would collapse. Your sickness is a line item on their balance sheet. It gets darker. We are looking at a demographic collapse. Sperm counts in the West have dropped by 50% in 40 years. We are seeing a generation that is chemically castrated. Plastics, phthalates, endocrine disruptors. They are in your water bottles, your food packaging, and your receipts. These chemicals mimic estrogen in the body. We are effectively sterilizing the population in slow motion. Is this incompetence? Or is it population control? When you look at the agendas of the global elite, they constantly talk about sustainability and reducing the human footprint. What better way to reduce the footprint than to make the population too biologically weak to reproduce? The situation looks hopeless, but the door to the cage is unlocked. You just have to stand up and walk out. The revolution will not be fought with guns. It will be fought at the dinner table. Every time you buy raw ingredients, steak, eggs, fruit, and cook them yourself, you are defunding the enemy. Every time you reject the seed oils and the corn syrup, you are reclaiming your brain chemistry. They want you weak. They want you tired. They want you subscribed to their pills and their processed slop. Do not give them the satisfaction. Reclaim your biology. Reclaim your mind. The body is the first empire you must rule. Welcome to the Fortune Codex.